When it comes to camping, a reliable stove can make all the difference between a memorable outdoor adventure and a frustrating experience. Whether you're a seasoned explorer or just dipping your toes into the world of camping, a dependable stove is essential for cooking meals and brewing that perfect morning coffee amidst nature's splendor. With countless options on the market, choosing the right stove to suit your needs can be daunting. In this video, we'll dive into the best camping stoves available today, highlighting their key features and advantages, so you can make an informed decision and elevate your outdoor culinary adventures. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. Like this video, subscribe our channel, and click the notification bell for the latest updates. Ready for the list? Let's jump right in. Number 5, Gas One GS3400P, our pick for best budget camping stove. If you're in the market for a reliable and affordable camping stove, look no further than the Gas One GS3400P dual fuel portable camping stove. This stove offers exceptional value without compromising on performance. One of its key advantages is its versatility, as it can run on both butane and propane, providing you with flexible fuel options. Starting your campfire has never been easier thanks to the electric piezo ignition system that ignites the stove with just the push of a button. Controlling the heat output is equally straightforward due to the stove's large user-friendly dial. While the GS3400P may have a maximum output of 8,000 BTUs on the lower side for some camping stoves, it's more than sufficient for most cooking tasks. You can easily accommodate larger pots and pans. Just keep in mind that it might take a bit longer to reach the desired temperature. One minor downside is the slightly awkward process of connecting the propane bottle. Unlike some other stoves, the propane bottle for the GS3400P needs to be attached at an angle rather than sitting upright. Overall, the Gas One GS3400P is a great stove for its price. Despite the minor inconvenience of connecting the propane bottle, its dual fuel capability, simple ignition system, and easy heat control make it a valuable addition to your camping gear. Number 4, Jetboil Genesis Basecamp, our pick for best portable camping stove. The Jetboil Genesis Basecamp system stands out as a uniquely versatile stove for campers. When you unfold it, you'll find 2 burners and a 5-liter pot, along with a ceramic-coated nonstick pan and a convenient carry bag. All these components nest neatly inside each other, making the Genesis the most portable option among 2-burner stoves. JetLink compatibility allows you to connect other JetLink-compatible stoves or a Luna satellite burner, expanding your cooking options. During testing, the Genesis excelled in boiling water efficiently, even under challenging conditions. Using its 5L flux pot, the Genesis achieved a 3-minute 16-second boil time at 5,000 feet and an impressive 5-minute 19-second boil in 15 miles per hour winds at 7,000 feet. The flux ring technology around the pot's base enhances heat transfer, optimizing fuel use. One downside is the windscreen, which, although contributing to effective wind protection, lacks the durability and ease of assembly you might expect from Jetboil. The flimsy plastic may not withstand an extended trip, so consider an alternative windscreen for long outings. Despite this flaw, the stove is robust and well designed. Its clamshell shape and rubber straps protect the stove when folded, ensuring durability during transport. The Genesis Basecamp system's easy transport setup and use make it universally appealing. For those who like to keep a camping setup ready to go, this packable system ensures you won't leave anything behind. If you're a fan of Jetboil's stash backpacking stove, you'll find the Genesis to be a perfect addition to your camping gear. Number 3, Eureka SPRK, plus our pick for best 1-burner camping stove. When it comes to flexible cooking solutions for camping, a good single burner shouldn't be overlooked. The Eureka SPRK plus camp stove is an exceptional choice, offering utility and versatility. It can either serve as the main cooking solution for a couple of campers or complement a larger camp kitchen as an additional burner, ensuring all your dishes come out hot simultaneously. The SPRK Plus builds on its predecessor, the SPRK Camp Stove, by increasing the BTUs from 10,000s to 11,500. This upgrade delivers more than enough power to heat even heavy cast iron pans, making it easy to stir-fry vegetables or cook steaks to perfection. Compared to other single burners like the Snow Peak Home and Camp Burner, the SPRK Plus offers superior output. While the Snow Peak model excels in packability, the SPRK Plus impresses with its sturdy build, promising long-term durability. As a butane stove, the SPRK Plus may not be as common as propane options, but butane canisters are still readily available online or in outdoor stores. Butane is also lighter than propane, adding to the stove's convenience. The canister fits into an integrated compartment on the stove's side, eliminating the need for complicated screwing. A single canister provides approximately 1 hour of runtime. The stove includes a 3-sided perforated windscreen, although we found this to be less effective in practice. You may need an additional windshield to ensure optimal performance. Perfect for quick meals or additional sides. The Eureka SPRK Plus Camp Stove enhances any camp kitchen by offering reliability and flexibility in your outdoor cooking adventures. Number 2, Coleman 1900, our pick for best grill camping stove. The Coleman 1900 Collection 3-in-1 stove combines vintage charm with modern camping technology, making it a versatile and reliable choice for your outdoor cooking needs. Equipped with a durable cast iron grate, it includes 2 cast iron griddle and grill accessories, giving you endless meal possibilities. Whether you're flipping pancakes or grilling burgers, these accessories ensure even cooking contain grease effectively and are easy to clean. You'll appreciate the 3-in-1 stove's twist instant ignition, which is both reliable and robust. Despite a lower BTU output, the flames remain powerful and the boil time is impressive. At 5,000 feet, it boils water in just 4 minutes and 51 seconds. Even at 7,000 feet with 15-mile-per-hour winds, it managed to boil in 14 minutes. However, the low, slim metal wire windscreens are less effective at higher altitudes or in windy conditions. A taller windscreen like those on the Cascade Classic camping stove would improve performance. The stove excels at simmering. You can achieve a low flame without it extinguishing, perfect for delicate cooking tasks. With its sturdy construction and reliable front latch, durability is guaranteed. The only downside is its weight. At 26 pounds, it's on the heavier side. If you don't mind a bit of heft from your car to camp, this stove is an exceptional companion for grill enthusiasts who value both style and functionality. Number 1. Eureka Ignite Portable 2, our pick for best camping stove overall. The Eureka Ignite is a versatile 2-burner tabletop camping stove that's perfect for your outdoor adventures. Weighing 10 pounds, this compact stove features a built-in handle, making it easy to transport from your car to the campsite, though it might be a bit too heavy for backpacking trips. In our tests, cooking on the Eureka Ignite was a delight. It felt sturdy and secure, and its grates are designed to accommodate both smaller and larger pans. This makes it practical for a variety of cooking needs. You'll appreciate the convenience features such as automatic push-button ignition for hassle-free setup and 2-turn simmer control for precise flame adjustment. The wind guards proved effective during our water boil and egg frying tests, ensuring efficient performance even in breezy conditions. One of our testers noted, it's easy to use and works without any drama. It's a great way to heat up multiple things at once, and the igniter worked despite a pretty stiff breeze. While we wish the knobs were a bit larger, they remained easy to use, and connecting to propane fuel was seamless. Suitable for most couples or families, the Eureka Ignite provides a reliable cooking solution. If you need a larger cooking area, consider the Eureka Ignite Plus. That's a wrap. We hope you had a blast going through our list of best camping stoves. If so, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, let us know in the comments which camping stove you're planning to pick. Let's make it happen. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.